Lace? What lace is? What lace? What lace? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Sakafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome darling. So today we're going to be talking about this wig. This wig. I've already gone ahead and installed this unit, and let me tell you, if you've not known, okay, let's just talk some facts. Fact number one about me, if you've not known, my wigs from way back, you know, I have been like my wigs, and you see me, you see wig, it was just like that. Like, we will just inco, like my wigs, they mean a lot to me. I'm not just doing wigs because this is YouTube. Like, beforehand, I was always into my wigs, you know. My friend used to always like take jokes on me, but like I and my wig, we have a lot, you know, of history. Basically, this wig, I bought it last year. Like, at that time I wasn't doing YouTube, but like I love this wig so much. When it came out last year, I quickly went ahead, after seeing a few videos, I went ahead and I purchased this unit, and I used this unit for about a month. And I mean, when I said I use it for a month, I mean I use it every day religiously, like it was my Sunday best wig, and I was going everywhere with it because I just loved it. I just like was like, this wig is like so, I don't know, it's just it's I don't know, something about it. And it is synthetic. I know, but you know, synthes, I call synthetic synthes. They are my synthes, because I mean, once upon a time when I couldn't afford, like, you know, human hair and all of that, my synthes, they were like my ride or die. So like, I'm not about to just put down my synthes. There are some synthetics these days are not joking. They are not joking. The lace in some of the synthetics are not playing. You would install a wig and somebody would have, you know, like wonder like, where did you get this unit from? I got messages instantly after using this wig because a lot of people liked it, and I mean, like, look at it. I am in love with this unit. It is very affordable. It is just $45. Yes, people clap for the price. It is just $45, and it is called Audry. So we got Audry on today. They came in this box, and yeah, nothing much, just this card that says Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber, obviously, and they say it's HD lace, keep them guessing. That's right, keep them guessing. And it's safe up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. Like, I don't know, you're a risky person, you'll try that, go ahead, but not me. I'm not putting heat in that wig for nothing. To be honest, the curls do stay up. Like, as I told you, I have bought this wig in the past, and it lasted me a month plus without me having to curl it or anything. I mean, like, don't try washing it, or don't try, this is a synthetic wig. Understand, if you want to get by with this wig, just don't do like me. Just don't use it every day. Like, you know, just have it in your collection for this one day where you want to make a statement piece, then you put out the wig, but don't do like me, you know. So it's basically, this is a what lace collection. Like, what lace are you talking about? It comes in 9 different colors. I have the one beyond, and it came with free combs and basically the HD liner. You don't have to pluck anything. I didn't pluck anything. I just basically just did a baby hair on this side, and I did, like, you know, maybe like 2 on this side where it's falling on this side. I installed, as you will see in a bit, how I installed this unit. It's very simple. I just put in my elastic band, and I just put some got to be spray, and that was it. It says it's customized, well crafted, the lace is undetectable, which is true, because what are you talking about, sis? There is no lace. And the feature says it's 13 by 6. I can put it back if I want to. I could wear it back like this. You can see I could wear it back like this, or I could bring it forward. You know, it is 13 by 6. It's pre-plucked, natural density. You can see it's full. It's really full. And so yeah, I didn't do anything much to this unit. It's really easy to install, and I mean, let's just take time to admire the model on the card. You know, sometimes you're purchasing a wig and the model on the card just lets you know everything about the wig. There are just some wigs, especially synthetic wigs, that are very wiggy looking. Like, ain't nobody got time for that in 2020, you know? No. And as a matter of fact, to all these wig companies that are making it, if synthetic wigs could be on lace like that, what are y'all trying? Stop. Just make wigs only on HD lace. Only make HD lace, invisible, whatever, undetectable lace. Stop making all this brown lace where we have to do all this bleaching and all this drama. Like, just make lace that's undetectable. Like this, I mean, the model already lets you know this wig is gonna be bomb, and I could tell you, like, it is fire, child. This wig is fire. I love this wig so much, to be honest. Ain't nobody paying me. There is no sponsored link for this video. So don't even like comment shit like it's just saying no, true. I'm telling you, this is the second time I'm buying this wig. I had to go back because it was just a very good purchase. So if you want this wig in your collection, I'm telling you, you won't regret it. It will be there and you just snap it on. As you can see, I just have my elastic band, and to be honest, if you could get away with not putting got to be spray. Half the days I was not putting anything, I was just putting my elastic band, and you measure your elastic band from ear to ear and then you stretch it, sew it on, and that's basically it. You know, you could do multiple sizes of this unit because of how the lace at the front is. So guys, as you see me there, as I am fire in quarantine and I have nothing to do, this week is bombshell. This week is bomb. So let me know if you're gonna purchase it or if you'll try it out or what you think about this look and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There is a lot more videos where this came from. So far, to all my subscribers, a special thank you once more. We are just growing and growing, and we thank God for all the growth we have so far. So guys, if you've not yet joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It will just melt my heart. And thank you guys so much for the support. Each and every one of you who always just message me and just let me know that you enjoy the videos, or you know, you're trying out my hairstyles. I mean, it's just so nice to see you guys. I'm supportive, you know. So guys, thank you once more for watching. I'm just gonna let you go right into the styling of this unit.